Alibaba and Aliexpress, what's the difference? This is one of the common mistakes that I see a lot of people teaching. Aliexpress is the main tool of choice for dropshippers. This is because the suppliers on there will ship 1 unit to your customer. Alibaba, sometimes you need to convince the supplier to do dropshipping for you and buy larger quantities. So you're probably wondering, why would I use Alibaba? If your product is only on Alibaba and not on Aliexpress, that is one of the most positive signals that the trend hasn't been saturated, because as soon as it goes onto Aliexpress, hundreds of dropshippers flock to the product and start shipping it. So while it's great that you found a trend that isn't on Aliexpress yet, you still need to convince your supplier on Alibaba to do dropshipping for you. Alternatively, you need to buy a few units and ship it to a warehouse like a 3PL, or fulfill the orders out from your house, which we'll go through in a second. If your product is on Aliexpress and it's not saturated and you can't find 100 competitors, then great. You should be able to set up dropshipping and get selling right away.